So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonymous, and in today's video we are going to discuss about two very important new leadership principles that Amazon discussed about on career day. So these are the leadership principle number 15 and 16. So most of you must be aware that Amazon has 14 leadership principles, but now it has 16, and it is very important for any person who is looking for a job in Amazon, whether you are a fresher or experienced candidates, because Amazon asks questions from these leadership principles. So in this video I am going to cover some of those questions and what these leadership principles are. So watch this video very carefully till the end, and in case you are new to my channel, consider subscribing my channel and please do like this video to support my channel. Now, regarding the Amazon Career Day, there were few important things discussed. One was two new leadership principles, but they were not discussed in detail. However, I am going to discuss in detail and tell you the interview questions and how to answer them. Then there were certain interview tips given by Amazon HR, and then there were tips to survive in Amazon from new CEO Jeff Bezos. So in this video, I am going to cover two new leadership principles only, because otherwise this video will be very long, and the other two details I will cover in the next videos. Now let us start with the leadership principle number 15, which is strive to be Earth's best employer. So what is meant by this? This means a company who employs best and most suitable candidates for the company. This new principle is related to Amazon leadership principle number 6, which is hire and develop the best, but it takes this principle few steps ahead. Now for that we need to know about the explanation. So this leadership principle is all about leaders with their work every day create a safer, more productive, more diverse and fairer work environment. So this is what you have to do. You have to create safer, productive, diverse and fairer work environment. Leaders have a vision, they have empathy and commitment to the personal success of their employees. Leaders have fun at work, they create a work environment where others also can have fun and enjoy their work. So, are you a leader? This is what they are going to check. So, what are the two questions that you should ask yourself as a leader for this particular principle? Are my fellow employees also growing? Are they ready to take on the next level? These are the questions. Now, six new ideas of this principle are security. First of all, safety of workers should be of utmost importance even at places of greatest risk such as warehouse and drivers of Amazon. Second is diversity. Having more diverse staff, and as most of the top leaders currently are white men. So they are thinking of hiring more board members for black men, so that it can become more diverse and more equal opportunity kind of team. Then justice, understanding to judge what is right and wrong. Then fun, the leader's task is to create a work environment in which he, she and other employees can enjoy their work. Then the leader should also have empathy. So it requires leaders to show empathy for employees, and that means taking this time to understand the employee's point of view, to understand their problems and to find ways to overcome those problems. And last, more productivity and higher performance. Focus on being productive at work and empower other employees also for higher performance. So these are the six new ideas that are reflected by this principle. So you should know that. Now, what are the exact behavioral interview questions that can be asked on this particular leadership principles? So tell me about a time when you made wrong assumption about a friend or a peer or a colleague. How did you unearth the wrong assumption? What corrective measures you took to prevent it from happening again? So this could be an behavioral interview question related to this principle. How do you tell the difference between right and wrong as it applies to your job? What does it mean to be a just employee? So this is again one question. What is the composition of your current team? How is your team organized? So if you are working, then this question could be asked. If you are a fresher, then not. Talk about a situation when you were successful at empowering either a person or a team to accomplish a task. Talk about a time when you were able to remove obstacles that were preventing you or your team from making progress. So this can be asked from freshers as well as working employees. Freshers can talk about a college project where they removed obstacle. So these kind of questions can be asked for this particular leadership principle. Now the answering tips. So while answering these questions, you have to keep these things in mind, that you value people that have different opinions from you, and you don't prevent, rather help people to grow. Last, you give valuable feedback and only when it is required. So these are the tips that you should keep in mind while answering these questions. So these things should reflect in your answer. Now we talk about leadership principle number 16, which is success and skill bring broad responsibility. So what does it mean? So Amazon started in a garage, but we are not there anymore. They are not into garage. They are big and they impact the world, and we are far from perfect. This is what they recognize, that they are still not perfect. So they must be humble and thoughtful about even the secondary effects of their actions. Our local communities, planet, and future generation need us to be better every day. We must begin each day with the determination to make better, do better, and be better for our customers, employees, partners, and the world at large. Leaders create more than they consume and always leave things better than how they found them. So, this is what this principle means in detail to Amazon. Now, what can be the behavioral questions that can be asked from you on this interview, on this leadership principle? Talk about a time where you failed to anticipate the secondary effects of a decision you took. How did you prevent this from happening in future projects or your future? Talk about a time when you went out of the way to help a friend or a colleague. Talk about a time when you had to say no to a friend. How did you handle that situation? So these are all the questions that can be asked from fresher as well as experience. Analyze impact of Amazon's business on the world. So you have to, give predictions. And now the answering tips. What should you keep in mind while answering these questions? You understand what it means to work at a large scale, meaning working on products and initiatives that could impact millions of people. You are humble enough to know that even after achieving success, there are opportunities for further improvements. And you think deeply about the impact your work has on customers, partners, and the world, and you seek to account for secondary and potentially unintended consequences of your work. So you think deep about what the secondary consequences will be. So these are some of the answering tips for these principles. So I hope this video would have been useful for you and you would be able to know what are these new principles and what can be the interview questions related to that, so that you can prepare accordingly and keep these answering tips in mind while framing your answers. So friends, please do like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more such details in future, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.